Keeping my kitties healthy is honestly my number one priority. And the Scruffy Paws Kidney Vitalize supplements are so helpful. Kidney health is super, super important to a cat's overall health. Also, my cats don't actually like all the treats that are out there. They are obsessed with these. I've seen such an increase in their energy since I started giving it to them. It is a win-win, hands down. Lucy really loves them, don't you, Lucy? Thanks, Scruffy Paws, for helping keep our kitties healthy and full of energy. Mwah.